At one point, I was doing research on how to do better random numbers, and then I discovered this thing, which is a library for doing local random numbers. And it operates on a thread, which means that it doesn't interfere with your main program. But it also does a good job of random number generation. So there's other ways to do this. I just picked this one. So we have this dot current, which just means the current object. We get the next int, which Java doesn't have a next int thing like it does in Python. So you have to do like multiply by 100, divide by 100 to get an integer. This does it like more you're used to. So this is our lowest number. Here's our max, but we have to add +1 in order to make it fit. So it doesn't do the last one. So in Python, if we say 1, it'll do 0 and 1 because it includes both ends. If we do that in Java, it does not include the top number. So we have to add 1 to it. So 0 and 1, it's actually going to 2, but it doesn't do 2. It's exclusive. Looks like you're about to ask a question there, Mr. Leza.
Okay, see that one again? I was kind of lost when it comes to comparing
Okay.
Python.
So normally in Python, if we put in 1, we'll just say 0, 1. When we do a random number, it'll do either 0 or 1. And that's called inclusive. It includes both ends. It includes the bottom, it includes the top. Java does not include the top one. It's called exclusives. So with Java, we have to say, this is our number pool. It doesn't do 2, it does 0 and 1. So I set my maximum at 1 because I'm flipping a coin. I either have 0 or 1, and then I added 1 to it. So then I have a 2 in here, but I end up with 0 and 1 being returned because the random number generator doesn't include 2. So some languages do it this way, some do it the other way. It just depends on the language. I like Python where it includes everything. I think that's more intuitive. But not every language is Python. If random number equals this, heads, tails. We've seen that before. And then we return this side up. And we have coin flip. And then I did a coin flip stats. Let's see what that one does. Has problems there. So heads came up 70% of the time. And of course, it's going to change every single time. And yep, 80% heads. That's a lot of heads. I wonder if I have this set to. No, I don't. I thought I maybe had this set to non-randomization. You know how you can shave the dice, you can have it be cheating. Anyway, I didn't cheat apparently. I don't know what I did. All right, that takes care of our coin flipping.